So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Vikas Multicorp share. So about Vikas Multicorp, we have been discussing since many videos. Almost we have done the technical analysis, and also we have discussed that next immediate target would be 9 rupees that we have discussed when the stock was trading near 7 rupees. So nice movement was given by the stock. So as we predicted the technicals, it has followed that. So definitely you can hold this particular stock further till it reaches the 10 rupees level. So once it gives movement about 10 rupees, so then we can see the further movement in the stock. For that, hold patiently. So now we'll do the volume analysis, and also we'll see little bit of fundamentals like shareholding pattern, so that it will be a quick recap of the fundamentals as well, so that people who are new to this particular video, they will understand the complete picture of Vikas Multicorp. Okay, so watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So quickly, let's see the basic shareholding pattern of Vikas Multicorp. So you know that almost 55.3% is present with the promoter himself, and almost 39.5% is present with the public. So generally, we have seen much public holding in this particular stock, and whenever it gives movement, so we know that it doesn't hit any direct upper circuit or direct lower circuit. So generally, it gives a small momentum, generally without any upper circuit. So that is where the many people are getting a chance to add this particular stock. So that is what we have discussed in earlier videos. So I have seen many things when the AGM has also happened. So we have seen what are the various changes that happened in the company and how it is trying to improve the base of the company, which is very important. And also we have seen the bulk deals as well. So many videos have been posted on Vikas Multicorp. So people are regularly following, so they might be knowing the complete idea of Vikas. Okay, so this is the basic shareholding pattern. So FIIs are having marginal quantity. So majorly it is with the promoter as well as the public. Okay, so if we see the FIIs holding, so FIIs holding is very important, and if we see on regular basis, so if we compare on quarter basis, so what are we seeing? So we are seeing a good increment. So in June 2019 we have seen 4.5%, in September 2019 we have seen 4.5. so after that, in small percentage wise, we are seeing increment in the FIIs holding, which is also very good indication. So you can see currently we are having almost 5.2%, which is very nominal, and for this particular stock being a penny, so FIIs holding increasing and also promoter having good holding. So we can say it is a base for the holders, people like retailers who are holding at low levels. For them, it is a hope that this particular company may give some sort of momentum in coming future. So that is what I insist all. So whenever you are investing in any penny stock, keep one thing in mind, that you should need to forget the amount that you are investing in penny stock, because anything may happen. So penny, why does it become penny? You know, so there may be certain reasons that made the stock penny. So at any point of time, anything may happen. So if you are capable of facing the risk, if you are capable of taking the risk, so definitely if you take the risk, reward also will be gifted to you. Okay. So next, when we see the volume analysis, so what you can see in volume analysis on 14th November, so we have seen the combined delivery percentage is almost around 80%. You can say roughly 80% is touching the 80%. So before that, if we see weekly, monthly average also, you can see roughly it was trading near that. So traded quantity is as usual present. So nothing much to discuss about that. So even the financials we have discussed in earlier videos. So we have seen some good result. We can say decent result has been posted, but as compared to quarter on quarter, little decrement was present, but year on year basis we have seen some good increment in Vikas Multicorp. So okay, on quarter basis, on year basis, when you see, so year on year basis decrement was there, quarter basis increment was there. Okay, sorry for change. So you can see that year on year basis, when you see, you can see that a drop is present almost 38.46%, and net income has also dropped almost to 44.68. So net profit margin has also slightly dropped, so not much. So expected. So we know the sector to which it belongs and the diversification of various Vikas, whether it may be Vikas Multicorp, Vikas Ecotech. So we know that many penny stocks are present along with Vikas Multicorp. So little bit of financials was the trouble, and little bit of focus is required on the financials as well. So not much negative, so slightly negative we can say, but definitely you can hold this particular stock before that you need to keep one thing, that risk always presents in penny stocks. Okay, you should be capable of taking that risk. Okay, so when you take risk, so we know that about Vikas Multicorp, when we discussed at the 8 rupees level, so it was almost gone to 23 to 24 rupees level. Okay, I told that time also to hold it, so people have hold multifold returns it has been given. So this particular stock has given huge returns. Okay, so anything may happen, so you should understand what can be the pros and cons as well. So when we see the indicators of what they're suggesting, so RSI is near 70.3. Okay, as usual, little bit of it is in the overbought region, as well as money flow index is also near 74.1. So that is also slightly overbought, and MACD is showing a bullish crossover. So don't worry about this overbought or oversold. So overbought implies that the stock, whenever excess buying happens, it enters into a zone where the stock needs some little correction or little rest. So you need to understand that as well. But for penny stocks, so that doesn't happen much. So a stock which is in overbought remains in overbought for a certain period of time, and after that it tries to correct. So for Vikas Multicorp, as we discussed in earlier video, so whenever it enters the overbought region, it stays in that particular zone for a certain period of time, and after that it shows little correction, and again it moves to the overbought region. Okay, so this we'll understand on technical charts. So now we'll go to the charts and we'll analyze what can be the next supports as well as resistances. So before that, if we see the returns 1 week, so you can see almost 18.99% returns were reported in just 1 week. 1 month 34.29, 6 months 382, 1 year 141% return. So 1 week back also we have discussed about Vikas Multicorp. So we are back onto the technical chart. So this is the 1 day chart. So 1 day chart, clearly you can see the stock is almost near 9.40. So if you see the base that it has formed, so clearly you can see 7 rupees level. So clearly I told it is in consolidation, definitely you can hold. So watch my previous videos as well. Back to back 2 videos I have posted on Vikas Multicorp when it was trading near 7 rupees. So one was for the levels and other one was the about the results that it has posted. So you can see clearly what is the reason: consolidation. So whenever any stock, whenever it gives any up move, you will see consolidation. So clearly money flow index was also moving sideways, and after that you can see how it has given the movement. It has started showing the 4 to 5% movement each and every day. So that is what is the analysis that I insist you to imply. Even Adani Green, what we have discussed, 300 rupees level. So we are discussing again, update in your 500, 600, 700, 800, again update in 950. Currently now it's trading 1000 above. Okay, so how much returns? More than 3 times. So you can assume how much returns it has given in a short span of time. So currently whatever happens is happens. If you have not invested also, again if you get an opportunity, so since it is trying to follow a U type recovery or V type recovery, so will that happen? So you need to understand that since the market was also a little bit of positive sentiment, so the stock has given that movement. So if you get a chance, so what will be the level that you can watch out? So immediate level would be 8.5 rupees level or 8.6. So if that particular level is reached, definitely you can invest in small quantities. So I suggest when you're investing any small, that is when you're investing any penny stock, I'm suggesting that you need to invest only small portions, let's say 2000 rupees or 3000 rupees according to your fund limit. Invest and leave it. So that is what it is. Even if it goes to 20 rupees also, then definitely the 3000 will be a multi-bagger returns for you. Okay, so that should be a strategy in penny stocks. So this is what I can say. And money flow index also near trying to go near overbought region. So little correction if it sees. I told you the level, that is 8.6 rupees level. Okay, so when we see in 1 week chart, so 1 week chart, clearly you can see it is trying to have a U-shape recovery. So U-shape recovery generally we have not seen any time, especially in stocks. So it may halt at any time. If it tries to make a double bottom, again it will be a very good chance for you. Okay, you need to understand, if a double bottom is happening, so that may not happen at this level, so it will try to go up, again it will halt here, again it may start moving up. So that will be the basic scenario. Again, that particular level 7 rupees, 6 rupees may not take place in this particular period, but if you get a chance, definitely you can invest. And people have bought at lower level 7, definitely hold it. If you have taken in heavy quantities, book profit partially, and rest definitely hold for long term. Okay, so this is very clear. So targets would be 10 plus. Okay, so hope everything is clear regarding Vikas Multicorp. So if you like the video, definitely like and subscribe, and also join the Telegram group to not miss any instant updates. So until then, take care. Bye bye.